So a typical day will vary quite a lot depending on whether you're a science student or a humanities student. As an English student, I have quite a flexible work schedule. And though I have lectures and classes and supervisions, which help to break up my week, it's very much up to me how I organise my time, which for some people is great, and for some people is quite difficult and quite frustrating. So a typical day for me might be a couple of lectures in the morning, and then working in the library until lunchtime, heading back to college, having some lunch, and then maybe going back to the library, or working in my room, depending on how I feel for a bit more time. I might have a supervision or a class in the afternoon, and then I'll have dinner in the evening, and then hopefully something fun after dinner, and then maybe a couple more hours work, depending on how my week is looking.
I'm a first year law student at Pembroke, and here's what a typical day will look like for me. I do rowing, so my day will usually include a rowing activity, whether it's actual rowing in the morning or some land training in the evening. Then I spend my mornings in the law faculty, split between lectures and studying in the library. Then I usually spend my afternoons in Pembroke, either studying in the library or with supervisions. I don't have supervisions every day. I have them twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays, and then the rest of my time is spent studying. In the evenings, I usually spend that time to do other activities, whether it's things going on in college, hanging out with some friends, or seeing other events in Cambridge.
A typical day for me as a third year physics student would involve 2 or 3 lectures in the morning. Time in the afternoon would either be in supervisions, possibly in labs, or most likely at home working through my own supervision work. I like to keep my evenings more free so I can do things with friends at that point or get involved in extracurriculars.